how to perform a fake shot on eFootball 25 mobile. So now the new eFootball 25 mobile has been released, and it's called eFootball version 4.0, by the way, not 2025. And to do a fake shot, now eFootball has a new feature known as finesse dribbling. I have also already made a tutorial on that. You can simply search them in our channel. And if you want to do a fake shot, so I'm just going to come to this practice match right here, right? So let's say I get hold of the ball right here, so I'll go to the attacking direction right over here. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. I just need to hit the stick button, which is the shoot button, and then cancel it all together. Very simple as that. So all I have to do is just press shoot, and as soon as I press the shoot button, I just have to cancel it very quickly, right, in this case. So first of all, let me go ahead and then get hold of this particular ball right here. You can see if I press the shoot button and then I immediately cancel it by flicking my left side of the joystick button. And that's simply how you perform a fake shot in this game. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and as always, do subscribe for more tips and tutorials for eFootball or even other stuffs in our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.